Do it. It's my daughter learning how to use a torque wrench, how to adjust it. Oh, she's getting it. Look at it. She's like, I need 3 hands.
89, what?
Yeah, 89. No, it turns in. As you keep turning, it goes up. This thing. Yep, keep turning. There you go. Oh, she's getting it. She's learning.
89.
Yeah, so 0 would be 80. 80 would be.
Is that 88? That's 90. 89. Because look.
Yeah.
80 is right there.
Yep.
So that's 80. What's the 16 and all that mean?
Well, that's.
Oh, so that's 80 because it's at 0,
Yep.
right? So 82, 84,
Yep. Yep.
86, 88, 89.
There you go.
That's 89.
Okay, you learned to use it. Okay.